In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the audit log in Jira. Understanding how to access and review audit logs is crucial for maintaining transparency and accountability within your Jira projects. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, begin by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is your starting point where you'll access all the settings and features Jira has to offer. If you're not automatically directed to your homepage upon logging in, look for an option in your dashboard or main navigation to get there. This ensures that you're in the right area to begin the next steps. Once on your homepage, the next move is to look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear or cogwheel. Hover over or click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select System. The System section houses various administrative tools and settings, including the audit log. After entering the System section, your next task is to locate troubleshooting and support within the menu on the left side of the screen. This section is a valuable resource for anyone managing a Jira environment because it provides options for diagnosing and understanding issues. Within this category, go ahead and click on Audit Log. This is where you'll find a record of changes and actions that have occurred within Jira, offering insights into who did what and when they did it. Now that you're viewing the audit log, you have the option to filter these records based on time or date. This is done by utilizing the time filter function. By clicking on this filter, you can specify a particular time frame that you're interested in reviewing. Whether you're looking for recent changes or historical actions, filtering by time helps to narrow down the extensive list of entries, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Finally, once you've filtered the entries to your satisfaction, you can get more detailed information on any specific log entry by simply clicking on it. This will expand the entry, revealing comprehensive details about the action, such as what exactly occurred, who was responsible, and any relevant timestamps. This information is pivotal for investigating issues or verifying changes within your projects. And there you have it. That's how you check and analyze the audit log in Jira. These logs are a powerful tool in understanding the inner workings of your projects and sessions, allowing you to keep track of all activities. We trust that you find this resource as beneficial as we do. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.